Hi there. In this video I'm going to demonstrate the use of the LessonLambs Simple Editor. The LessonLambs Simple Editor allows you to quickly modify the contents of activities in a sequence. We call it the Simple Editor because it doesn't allow you to make changes to the structure of the sequence, nor does it let you modify the advanced properties of activities. In that way it ties in well with our concept of the LAMS Planner, the ready-to-use teaching models that you can access within LessonLambs. You can find the planner templates here. When you find a template that you like the look of, you can import it into your LessonLambs portfolio. However, you then have to go through and modify the generic text to suit your particular lesson. The quickest way to do this is with a simple editor, which you can launch with this button here. When the simple editor loads, it displays the activities in your sequence in a linear fashion, and you can edit the title and content of each activity. As I've just imported this problem-based learning template, it doesn't have specific content relating to a particular problem. I'm going to have to change this before I run the sequence with my learners. The first thing I'm going to change in the simple editor is the description of the general problem. You can see here in the second activity that I've been prompted to delete this text, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that and paste in from another document in a word processor the problem text for this PBL. In some sequences the author may have provided some specific editing advice in the form of the prompts, which you just saw me get rid of, or other advice which you can access with this button here. These tips will guide you through the editing of your sequence. If you're familiar with the LAMS and you want to change the structure or advanced properties of a particular sequence, you can access the complete authoring environment very quickly, scrolling down and clicking this button here, View in Full Author. However, once we've made changes in the simple editor, we do need to save the sequence with this button here. The page will refresh and give us a notification. We can now close this sequence and go back to LessonLambs. The page will refresh with our updated changes, and we can then preview it or launch the sequence straight away. For more on the features of LessonLambs, please view the rest of these video tutorials.